biodiversity ay tungkol sa pagkakaiba-iba ng mga hayop o species sa ating mundo. Ngayon, aking ipapaliwanag at bibigyang kaalaman sa inyo ang pagkakaiba-iba ng species ng ibon. Sa buong mundo, may tinatayang 10,000 na uri ng ibon sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. At base sa pag-aaral, ang pinakamaraming uri ng iba't ibang hayop o ibon ay may kita lamang sa Timog Amerika. At ito'y matatagpuan sa Cambodia, Bolivia, at Peru. Ito'y tinatayang 3,900 na ibon ang matatagpuan. Base rin sa pag-aaral, kung may pinakamarami, meron namang kakaunti na likas na ibon na matatagpuan sa kontinente ng Antarctica. Ito'y mayroong 65 na species na matatagpuan lamang sa aming lugar. Ngunit pumangat na naman ang Asia, nakakuha ng 2,900 na species ng ibon.
Among the rarest, largest, and most powerful birds in the world. This bird of prey is endemic to the forest in the Philippines, where it is the national bird. It has numerous local names including Agila, Haribon, Haring Ibon, which means bird king, and Danog. Killing this critically endangered species is punishable under Philippine law by 12 years in jail and The Philippine serpent eagle, found in the major islands of the Philippines. It is sometimes treated as a race of the crested serpent eagle. This species is usually found in forests, clearings, open.
Philippine Hawk Eagle. The Philippine Hawk Eagle, known in French as Aigle des Philippines. In Spanish, it is Aguila Izor Filipina. The scientific name of Hawk Eagle is Naizaitus philippensis. In earlier, it is treated under Speciaitus Island. It is a species of bird of prey in the Axopetridae family belonging. The subspecies Pinskeri may be a candidate for raising to full species, but it is endemic to the Philippines. Its natural habitat is subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests. It is threatened by habitat loss. Spat-billed pelican or Philippine pelican. The spat-billed pelican or gray-billed The Philippine megapod or the incubator bird. The Philippine megapod, or in scientific name, the Megaphodius comingi. It also known as the Philippine scrubfowl or the Tabon scrubfowl. It is a species of bird in the Megaphodidae family belonging, and it is found in Indonesia, Malaysia, in the Philippines. Its natural habitats are subtropical or tropical dry forests, subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests, and subtropical or tropical moist montane forests.